To pair a phone with your Sync 3 system, press Phone and then Add Phone. Once you do this, follow the prompt on your phone to pair with the radio. It will prompt on screen to confirm the PIN. Click Yes, and your device is now paired. You can choose to turn on contact downloads or the 911 assist. By clicking Audio, you have the options to choose a source in the upper left to any radio or Sirius station you like. To use factory navigation, simply click the nav icon in the middle. When on the nav screen, clicking Menu will give you customization options for the factory navigation. Under Navigation Settings, you can change map preferences, route preferences, and even the voice prompts under Navigation Preferences. To begin navigation, simply press the destination icon. Here you can search for a new address, navigate to one already saved, or search for different points of interest. When going to a new location, simply click Search, then enter the desired address, and then press Start. The system should then begin navigating. To use Apple Carplay, you will need to connect your phone to a USB cable, and you should then be prompted on screen to start Carplay. Once you agree to the terms of service, the radio will then switch to Carplay mode. When in Carplay, the system will now mirror your phone. You can use the Apple CarPlay Maps navigation. You will have access to many of the apps on the radio that you use on your phone. When in CarPlay mode, if you go to Settings, you will also have different settings to choose from. You will also have access to Pandora and Spotify and apps that you use on your phone. When CarPlay is on, you will also have access to your phone contacts. Additionally, you can use other navigation services such as Waze,